Can I just say something? This video clips, TikTok clips, YouTube clips about this satanic ritual people. This about they show about demons. They show about Illuminati. All of these things. Some satanic people advertising themselves. This about the how can I say the rich people parading about the fashion shows, anything that is satanic, anything, all these satanic videos, all of these clips. There's now clips running on YouTube and TikTok about showing all the different demons and their names. They're saying the names and playing this music. Everything that is going on with these videos and these clips is stealing your energy and is working on your subconscious mind. Please, they are infiltrating people. They are making people being commonly used to the idea. Please stay away from these things. Scroll by, scroll up, don't watch, don't give a second, any second or minute to any of these video clips. Nothing about Illuminati, nothing about the Masons, nothing about the satanic people. These new clips about the demons of hell and all of their names, and they show their faces and how these AI made and everything. Please, guys, take my advice. These video clips, these short clips and videos are made and designed while you give any energy to it. They steal your energy and they infiltrate your subconscious mind. Please be aware. You may not realize it at that moment, but your way forward will be manipulated. There will be energy loss. There will be things not working out for you. Please avoid watching these clips and these videos. Going on TikTok, going on YouTube, and all other channels, platforms. Please, I see lately it's a big thing about this lady parading with their fashion clothes, and please take it as a warning. Guys, I'm not serious. I'm not joking. I'm very serious. These videos and these clips are designed to infiltrate your subconscious mind and it will affect you. Please don't give any minute or second to it. Don't listen to it. Don't give your energy to it. Please keep the frequency clear. Love you all. Bye.